Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to reset up preferences on this device. So firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the general management, and then go to the reset. And here just select, okay, so to reset up preferences you don't have to go to general management, but you have to go to the apps section instead. Then tap here and select the last option, reset up preferences, and then confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.